Good day, everyone. We'll tackle about
Report writing across disciplines.
this is group 9 presentation. First, report writing is a structured form of writing commonly used in academic, technical, and research settings to present facts, findings, and recommendations. So, report writing is a structured form of writing, meaning naa siya ay organized format ginagamit ni siya sa academic, technical, and research settings para ipakita ang facts, finding, and recommendation. In short, kung gusto nato i-present ang result sa research or project, magamit o report. Features of a good report: clear and concise, uses simple direct language and avoid unnecessary words so readers can quickly understand the main point. Clear and concise, dapat klaro, diretso sa punto ang report. Avoid unnecessary words para masabtan dayon sa readers. Example, instead of using long sentences, simple words lang basta klaro ang meaning ani. Well structured, organized with a logical flow such as the introduction, body, and conclusion, making it easy to follow. Well structured, ang report dapat organized, usually na siya introduction, body, and conclusion. Kanang structure makatabang nga mas sayon, sundon og mas professional tan-awon, objective and accurate. Present fact and evidence without personal bias and ensures all information is correct and well researched. Objective and accurate. Dili dapat bias ang report, dapat ang solid for fact and evidence, dili personal opinion, and always make sure ang na correct and well researched ang information. Then adaptable across discipline, written in a way that can so different field, business, science, education, etc. while maintaining professionalism. Adaptable across discipline, meaning pwede siya gamiton sa lain field like business, science, or education, basta professional gyapon ang style sa writing.
Let's go talk about purpose of report writing. To inform, present clear and accurate information about a specific topic, event, or investigation. To present facts and details about a specific topic or event. To explain or analyze, break down data or findings to help readers understand issues or results. To break down data and help readers understand issues. Number 3, to recommend or propose. Offer conclusion or suggestion based on evidence. To suggest solutions or actions based on evidence. Number 4, to record document, serve as an official record for future reference or decision making. To keep an official record for future reference.
There are 5 types of report across discipline. First, academic report. Presents research analysis of for education purposes, each as thesis paper or research paper. Academic report, mao ni usually atong ginagamit sa school. It's present research analysis or finding for educational purposes. Example, kung maghimo taw thesis or research report, academic report na siya tawag ana. Number 2, business report. Provide information for decision making in organization like financial reports, market analysis, or project report. Then, so, ang business report kay gayos ni siya og kuan i-use ni siya sa mga company or organization. This type of report help in decision making like financial report, market analysis, or project report. Example, kung gusto sa boss makabalo ang seller kay makabalo ang seller sa performance business or report, mo ni iyahang basihan. Number 3, specific report. Details, experiment, observation, and result in structured format, often including method and data analysis. Kaning scientific report kay ginagamit ni siya sa science field or includes experiment, observation, and result. Usually structured ni siya with part like method, data, and analysis. Example, kung ang nag-experiment sa laboratory kay imong output kay scientific report. Number 4, social report discuss social issues. Community, students, or survey to inform policy or public understanding. Social report, this talk about social issues or communities, student like survey or research about people and society. Example, kung mag-report ka about poverty or educational or communities, social report na siya. Number 5, progress or activity reports. Update stakeholder on the status or projects, tasks or activities over a specific period. Progress or activity report, this report gives updates sa mga project or activity over sa certain time. Example, kung gusto sa teacher or ma-manage kabaloon sa na ma-finish ang project progress report ang ipasa balik ng gyatay.
Report. Title page shows the report's title and author and date. Title page purpose. The title page is the first page of your report. It provides essential information at a glance. Report title, clear and concise, indicating the subject of the report. For example, author's name, your name or the name of the person or group. Date, the date the report was completed. Introduction, states the purpose and scope of the report. The introduction purpose sets the context and scope of the report. It introduces the readers to the topic and the main objectives. Content, background information, brief overview of the topic. Purpose and objectives clearly state the goals of the report. Scope, defines the boundaries of the report. Method or body, explain how the study was done or detail the main content. Purpose, this is the core of your report where you present how you gathered information and what you found. Findings and the result, present the key data or outcomes. Purpose, to objectively present the outcomes of your investigation or analysis. Conclusions and recommendations, summarize insight and suggest actions. Purpose, summarize the report, key findings, interpret their significance, and suggest specific actions or next steps based on the analysis. References and appendices, list sources and extra supporting materials. Purpose, to acknowledge the sources you use in your report and to allow readers to find those sources themselves.